Hello guys, review Infinix HOT 60 Pro, this version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look completation. We have very slim design in device, blue color. In completation we have protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge, and Type-C cable. On the back side, triple camera. On this side, slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, power button, smart key and warm buttons. Upside, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on display. We have AMOLED display, 6.78-inch display, 1.5K resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate. Open settings. About phone, we have XOS version 15.1.1 and Android 15. Open test, Geekbench 6. We have CPU Helio G200 and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay. Look into the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, close this and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. And works on the max graphic level and ultra frame rate. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. Now I show you camera and look photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.